In this video, I'll show you how you can change the background color of your text in PowerPoint. Now, most people will press on it and they will choose a color up here, but there's an even better way that you can do it. Now, what you can do is press on Shape Format, and from in here, you can select different kind of shapes. So there are some up here that you can choose from. You can choose the shape Fill, and you can see it will change the color in the background. You can also do an outline, just like this. So you can choose a, let's say, black outline, but you want in the inside to be gray. As you can see down, there'll be a black outline with a gray back. You can also go to the effects, and from in here you can add shadows, you can add reflections, and all these. So let's say you add this one, you can do it like that. Also, you have many different text things that you can do here. You can change the text, what kind of text you want it to be. And that's basically what you can do in the shape format. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.